welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're really digging into the world of enterprise IT, specifically looking at how organizations are wrestling with their critical database workloads in, well, an increasingly complex digital landscape. Our guide for this deep dive is a stack of insightful materials from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, initially presented by Tillman Walker, their Director of Hybrid Cloud Solutions.
That's right. And our mission today really is to cut through the noise, extract the core wisdom from these sources. We want to help you understand the latest strategic moves in hybrid cloud and how, innovative solutions are actually solving some of the biggest challenges businesses face.
Like what kind of challenges?
Well, everything from ballooning costs to that urgent need for agility that everyone talks about.
Absolutely. We're going to unpack why so many businesses are fundamentally rethinking where their most vital data lives. And, importantly, how the right technology can truly transform what's possible for them.
It's a really critical discussion right now.
Okay, so let's kick things off with a big question. Why are so many companies now looking at a hybrid cloud approach? Or even, bringing workloads back from the public cloud? It almost feels counterintuitive after years of the cloud-first mantra.
Yeah, it does seem that way sometimes.
But they tell a really compelling story.
They really do. And what's truly fascinating here, and I think a critical insight for any IT leader listening, is the sheer acceleration of this repatriation trend. The materials we've analyzed indicate that back in 2020, maybe 43% of CIOs were planning to bring workloads back on-prem.
Okay, less than half.
Right. But by 2024, that number is projected to jump to a staggering 83%.
83%? Wow.
Yeah. I mean, this isn't just a shift. It signals a fundamental reevaluation of cloud strategy. It really proves that public cloud isn't always the panacea for every single enterprise workload.
That 83% figure is just astounding. So what's the most impactful reason you've seen driving this shift away from pure public cloud? Is it purely cost, or there may be deeper operational or strategic reasons at play that aren't immediately obvious?
It's definitely multifaceted. It's not just one thing. I think the key takeaway isn't just the numbers, but the acknowledgement that control, cost, predictability, and performance.
Right.
Well, they're increasingly outweighing the perceived simplicity of a pure public cloud model.
Right. The simplicity factor.
Exactly. Organizations are seeking what you might call a cloud experience, but on premises. They're aiming for greater access and, crucially, full control over their data. And predictable costs are also critical, often managed through a FinOps approach that's financial operations.
Bringing financial accountability to cloud spend.
Precisely. Helping to avoid those unexpected cloud bills that can really surprise businesses. We also see a strong desire for unified cloud operations and, an infrastructure that's truly future-proof.
So, it sounds like it boils down to regaining control and predictability. But what about the arguments for public cloud scalability and ease of use? Are those benefits just outweighed by concerns like vendor lock-in that your sources highlight?
They absolutely can be, yeah. Particularly as workloads mature and scale. Our sources consistently highlight concerns like cloud vendor lock-in, which is a big one. Also, the often underestimated need for extensive business process adjustments to really leverage public cloud properly.
That's a hidden cost sometimes.
It really is. And then there are critical issues around data sovereignty and governance. Where does your data actually live? Who controls it? Moreover, for many mid to larger configurations, the total cost of ownership, the TCO, for cloud can actually be significantly higher. Yeah, higher. And for achieving the absolute highest performance with the lowest latency, especially for those core business applications, the answer often points back to optimize on-premises solutions. It's almost like, the pendulum is swinging back a bit, isn't it?
It seems so.
After years of cloud first being the mantra, organizations are really getting smarter about finding the right balance, the right place for each workload.
That's a crucial point. And we've even seen some pretty public examples that underscore these risks, haven't we?
Definitely.
Like that reported Oracle cloud outage in Europe, or the CISA security alert and research claims about a significant Oracle data breach, which even led to written notifications to customers. It really highlights the importance of having that data control.
Absolutely. Those are stark reminders.
So, given these evolving challenges and this strong push towards hybrid environments, how are companies like HPE responding? What specific solutions are they bringing to the table to help businesses navigate this complex landscape and find that balance we talked about?
Okay, yeah. So this is where HPE GreenLake Cloud comes into play. It's presented as a unified hybrid cloud operations platform.
Okay, unified platform. What does that mean in practice?
Well, think of it as providing a robust data foundation. a workload-optimized private cloud environment, and all the necessary infrastructure and runtimes.
Yeah.
And importantly, it's all designed to seamlessly integrate with third-party and public cloud services too.
So it bridges the gap.
Exactly. It's about delivering that consistent cloud experience wherever you need it, on-prem, at the edge, in a colo, or integrating with public clouds.
It sounds like a truly holistic approach, yeah, not just a piece of hardware or software in isolation.
Precisely.
And within this GreenLake framework, the HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000 seems to be a central player.
It is. It's foundational.
So what makes it this sort of universal architecture for so many different demanding workloads?
Right. The HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000, which is HPE's intelligent storage platform, it's designed as a truly universal architecture. And it has a remarkably broad ecosystem. The insights we've drawn show it's seamlessly supporting a vast array of critical applications.
Like what?
Well, everything from your most sensitive relational and next-gen databases, think SAP, MongoDB, Oracle, Microsoft SQL, to specialized healthcare systems like Epic and Meditech.
Okay, very specific.
Yeah, and powerful analytics platforms like Elastic and SAS, various hypervisors including VMware and Kubernetes, plus comprehensive data protection like Veeam and Commvault. The real power here isn't just supporting them individually, it's about handling these diverse, demanding workloads on one unified platform.
Simplification.
Exactly, simplifying your entire IT landscape.
That kind of flexibility must be a huge relief for IT teams juggling so many different systems and applications, right?
Absolutely, it takes away a lot of the complexity.
And speaking of complex systems, let's zoom in on one that often presents unique challenges for organizations. Oracle databases. Oracle is foundational for so many businesses, but it often comes with its own unique set of headaches, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. You talk to Oracle customers, and they frequently struggle with a combination of things. Complexity is one, spiraling licensing costs, which can be a major budget drain.
Oh yeah, the licensing.
Performance and scalability limitations sometimes, persistent security and compliance concerns, and that dreaded cloud lock-in we discussed earlier. For many, these aren't just minor annoyances, they're significant hurdles to innovation and agility.
So, okay, how does HPE specifically help Oracle customers regain that control and accelerate their workloads with confidence? How does it address those specific pain points?
Right. So HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000 is engineered to address these challenges directly. For Oracle specifically, the materials we've reviewed show some really impressive performance gains.
Such as?
Up to 98% higher IOPS, that's input-output operations per second, a key performance measure.
Almost double.
Yeah, and 185% higher data transfer rates.
Yeah.
It also boasts up to 4-to-1 data efficiency, which helps significantly reduce storage costs.
That efficiency part is key for costs, too.
Definitely. And it offers faster recovery with built-in resilience. It's truly built for modern Oracle environments, from those high transactional systems to deep analytics workloads.
That's a huge boost in raw performance and efficiency. But managing Oracle is more than just a storage, right? It's an entire life cycle.
That's true.
So how can organizations achieve a truly unified experience across, planning, deployment, optimization, monitoring, and protection for their Oracle environments?
That's a vital question. And HPE offers a comprehensive solution here, powered by several integrated tools. One key tool is the HPE Database Performance Profiler, or DPP.
DPP.
This tool allows for incredibly precise assessment of hardware utilization and bottlenecks. Now, why is this important?
Right.
Because it can optimize your hardware footprint and CPU core count. And that, in turn, can reduce Oracle license costs by up to 50%.
50%. Wow.
Think about that potentially having a major expense just by getting smarter about how you use your existing resources. It also provides a sort of trusted advisor status for IT teams and can even gauge the efficiency of existing Exadata deployments, giving you a clear roadmap for improvement.
That makes incredible sense. Identify exactly where you can save and improve before making big changes.
Smart.
Yeah, says first. And we have a great real-world example of this in action, right? The Spare ICS case study. Absolutely. Spare ICS, a leading European retailer, they faced a complete overhaul of their Oracle landscape. It's a fantastic case study. They had over 100 Oracle databases running on these legacy Exadata systems.
100.
Yeah, and they were siloed, incredibly expensive to maintain, and were actually slowing down their modern retail services. Application deployments and changes used to take months, which, as you can imagine, is just a lifetime in today's fast-paced retail environment.
Months. Unbelievable. So what did their transformation with HPE GreenLake look like, and what were the tangible outcomes they saw?
Okay, so they completely modernized those 100-plus Oracle databases onto a cloud-smart, workload-optimized platform using GreenLake and Alletra MP. This meant moving from that rigid, slow infrastructure to something truly elastic and secure, complete with AI workload tuning.
AI tuning, nice. Yeah. And the impact on their agility and performance was profound. The outcomes are really striking. They accelerated releases, cutting Oracle deployment time from 6 months down to just 1 week.
6 months to 1 week.
1 week. They now process over 1 million digital receipts daily in real time. They achieved an 80% innovation gain.
80%.
And enabled AI-driven insights for much faster Oracle analytics. And crucially, their cost agility shifted to a more flexible, usage-based Oracle infrastructure model.
From releasing changes every 6 months to innovating every week. That quote from Andreas Kranebel, the managing director at Spear IICS, it truly captures the essence of that transformation.
It really does.
It's an absolute game changer for a retailer of their size.
No question.
Okay, so it's clear how HPE solutions are impacting Oracle environments. But what about other mission-critical databases, like Microsoft SQL and SAP HANA? Do they see similar benefits and transformations with this intelligent storage architecture?
Yes, absolutely. The value of this intelligent storage architecture extends across these other crucial database platforms, too. For Microsoft SQL, for instance, the insights we reviewed indicate a 53% lower runtime for queries.
Half the query time.
Pretty much. And a 4x performance density. Imagine the impact on your business intelligence or transactional systems if your queries are completing in half the time. This is achieved through advanced database platform automation via HPE AMPS and Morpheus, and also a powerful PowerShell toolkit for automation.
So automation is key there.
Very key. And it also thoughtfully supports use cases like disaster recovery and cloud bursting with HPE Alletra Storage MP running on AWS and Microsoft Azure.
Good integration. And for SAP HANA, which is known for its incredibly demanding in-memory requirements, what kind of scalability and performance gains are we looking at there?
Right. SAP HANA, the backbone for so many large enterprises. For HANA, the HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000 demonstrates near linear application and workload scalability. Our sources highlight an impressive 9x increase in SAP HANA node count on a single hardware platform.
9 times.
Yeah, for instance, scaling from, say, 12 nodes all the way up to 132 nodes. For an SAP enterprise, this means you can scale your core business systems and real-time analytics without massive infrastructure overhauls or, disrupting your operations.
That's huge for SAP Shop.
It is. And the HPE storage portfolio is fully certified for SAP HAR, with Alletra Storage MP B10000 being the leading platform. The recent Alletra MP B10000 R5 release specifically brings substantial advantages, including a high node count of 112 and crucial NFS support for a truly unified solution that offers both cost savings and operational simplicity for those vital SAP environments.
Okay. We've dived deep into the why behind hybrid, the how, with HPE's solutions for these specific, demanding database environments.
Yeah.
Now let's pull back a bit and look at the bigger picture. What does this truly mean for businesses striving to innovate faster, simplify their daily operations, and make every resource count? What's the overarching message from an intelligent storage architecture like this?
Okay, yeah, connecting it all together. It really boils down to delivering concrete value across 3 core pillars for businesses. First, accelerating innovation. Beyond those impressive Oracle numbers we talked about, we see capabilities for up to 150x faster application provisioning.
150 times faster.
Yeah. This isn't just a technical spec. It means your development teams can move at an incredible pace, bringing new products and services to market much, much faster.
Rail business speed.
Second, simplifying operations. The data shows a remarkable 79% lower operating costs.
79% lower OpEx.
Think about the freed up budget and staff hours. There's also one-click ISV integrated immutability for ransomware protection.
The security angle. Very important.
Crucial, meaning critical data can be instantly restored even after an attack. And you get a truly unified hybrid cloud experience from the hardware layer right up to the application.
And the third pillar.
And third, optimizing resources. This includes those 55% savings through VM right-sizing we mentioned earlier, the 4x performance density for Microsoft SQL, And those significant application license cost savings, like up to 50% via DPP assessments for Oracle, it's about sweating the assets smarter.
It really sounds like a foundational shift, doesn't it? Creating a truly modular and expandable ecosystem for businesses to grow into, rather than being locked down by legacy constraints.
Precisely. That's a great way to put it. This kind of ecosystem supports modern consumption-based financials too. Whether you prefer paper use or maybe upfront payment for infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service options, it offers flexibility.
Pay as you grow, essentially.
Right. It provides full-stack integrated solutions like the HPE Private Cloud Business Edition and robust capabilities for ransomware recovery, data protection, and disaster recovery, including to the cloud. And all of this is underpinned by deep observability and advanced private cloud and application automation solutions, all managed under HPE GreenLake's unified cloud management umbrella.
Wow. What an incredible deep dive today. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we?
We certainly have.
Into the world of database workloads, the evolution of hybrid cloud strategies, and how these intelligent storage architectures are truly enabling businesses to innovate faster, cut costs, and regain critical control over their most vital data.
It really highlights how crucial it is to understand not just the technology itself, but how it solves those real-world operational and financial challenges that businesses face every day. And this brings up, I think, an important question for every IT leader listening. How much more could your organization actually achieve if your IT infrastructure truly allowed you to move from simply maintaining systems,
Keeping the lights on.
exactly, to consistently innovating? What could you unlock?
That's definitely food for thought. Think about how a flexible, performant, and cost-optimized infrastructure could unlock entirely new possibilities for your own teams, just as it did for SPAR ICS, allowing them to innovate every single week instead of every 6 months. Imagine that.
Imagine that indeed.